Hi, I'm just doing the finishing touches to the Chantry saddlebag today. These are my strap retainers. So I have punched out this shape with a steel knife. It's called a steel knife, it's like a cookie cutter. Then I've hand punched the holes because I need the variation of this shape. Punched out the half moon crescents ready to receive the D-rings, and then I've what's called blind stitching, done a top stitching around the edge, and now I'm just waiting for the glue to go off slightly to attach this solid brass D-ring to the side gusset of the bag. And some people prefer to punch this kind of hole before they make up the bag, but because of this position and where it is, I can make the decision to do it at the end rather than the beginning of the process. And I like to do that because sometimes I need to have a bit of wiggle room to change the position of these holes. So you can see there, I've punched the holes in the side gusset and they should match up now with the holes that I've made on the lozenge. So I'm just going to put this down now. I'm going to match up the holes to the front. Like that. I've just realised that obviously filming into the direct sunlight is not good. This camera couldn't handle the light meters. And then I've got my rivets. Push them through front to back, and then I am going to close this tab. The glue is not runny now, it's sort of tacky, so it's kind of got to that point where I can position it where I want, and it's going to more or less stay put. I can't keep moving it again and again. There we go. So double face rivets means that it's as nice on the inside as it is on the outside. There we go. I'm just going to use the press to rivet it in place. Okay, I couldn't hold the phone and do the riveting at the same time. So now we have one side of the bag. So this is the beautiful turn seam of the front of the bag with a flat detail and the D-ring to close. And then you can see the side gusset and the lovely top stitching, blind stitching, and the riveting and the D-ring in place. And then to mirror that, I've got the webbing straps. They have had the same treatment with the top stitching, and they've been glued into position and clamped. And then my last job will be to punch the holes in the two rivets here through the webbing to secure it, and stitch this final part of the strap here, and then the bag will be done.